Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to download and install Google Classroom on your laptop. This video works for your Windows 10, 8, and 7. Before jumping right into our video, if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking a web browser, open and first log into your Google Classroom account. Once you're signed into your Google Classroom, click open a new tab and search for Google Classroom extension. Go to the first link that you see from the search results, and you'll end up in this page. Now click on Add to Chrome, in order to add the extension from the pop-up. Select Add App. Now once you do that, on the next page right-click on Classroom option, and click on Open as Window. Now right-click on it one more time, and select Create Shortcuts. You can add the shortcuts to following options, mentioned over here. Now click on Create, and soon after you do that you'll be able to see your Google Classroom application installed on your laptop. That is how you can easily download and install Google Classroom on your laptop. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.